turning my backyard into a thriving food forest.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it. I mean, know the world massive love it and them respect it, man. Hear this? A lot of mercy. Help me big up Jamaica, the land of wood and water. The system might not proper, but we love the vibe, the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet Jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live.
My Jamaican backyard garden, Portmore edition. This is gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to another gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you one and all. God bless you. Alright guys, so I made a little makeshift bed right here. So I ran out of boards, so I just used these as all I could, right? Because I have them thrown down, not doing a thing. I wanted to make this little bed to put some more brassicas inside here. So what I did was to put these plants right there, and I shift these corns or those containers right there. So don't bother laugh at my little bed with the boards looking all over the place. One up, one down, one side, one all over the place. But anyways, I just want to make use of all that I can, and I have my seedlings. I just want to get them in the ground. I already love the look of the banana right here. I'm going to take out this sucker and plant it. I may do it with you, I may do it without you. Oh, I thought it was damaged. I'm going to take out this volunteer tomato as well and get it somewhere. See that little baby sucker there growing. Alright, so yeah, that's where we at. Alright guys, so you can see that I'm planting my yams in crocus bag or sacks. So instead of putting them in the ground, I made this decision because I don't believe I want to be digging any yam in the ground, so I decided to put them inside these bags, and I planted out my dasheen, cocoa, and dasheen again inside here. So alright, so I went ahead and filled this baby up. So now I'm going to plant all that I need to plant inside here, and I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, so I'm done planting some brassicas inside here. I planted a few onions that I had that needed to be planted out from when. And I put some callaloo at the back right there. Alright, so this is me the other day. I planted out 2 of my plantain or bananas, as I'm not able to differentiate between the two just yet. So what I did was to dig the holes. I put some horse manure in the holes, and then this is me today finishing that up. Alright guys, so I went ahead. As you can see, I've done this one. I planted these by faith. If you notice, I chop off up here so because I had them out too long, and it's like they got waterlogged, and you can see what became of them. They got waterlogged and they just soft out at the tops. So really and truly, I planted these by faith. 1, 2, 3 of them. So if I don't see like any of them do anything in a week or 2, I'm just going to replace them. I'll leave you here for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Whoa, can't you see? see the beauty of this country. Me never know a serious thing until me reach a foreign. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. So what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down, the only problem is dollars now run. Now with the money in your pocket and a God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist a chant. I saw me born, I'm in a transplant. What a nice place to live.